Let's check out Q's Billiard Club. Tweety here with links in the descriptions and many playlists for you. You get to pick from 15 different pool tables, and there's a little tiny spot off to the side where you can order your food because he will not let you eat anywhere near his tables. There's no smoking in the place either. Everybody's invited to go outside. Some people get a little upset at Tony, the owner, because he's also the bartender, so he's out there on the floor watching what's going on. And if you lean on the pool table, or you happen to use green or some other color chalk besides blue, he may come over and ask you not to do that. He may even ask you to turn off your cell phone if you're listening to it, because he wants to make it the best place he can, and he requires you to wear masks because the governor demands it. He does not want to lose his business because some people don't want to play by the rules, and those that don't want to play by the rules always seem to walk out grumpy. Makes you wonder. Bird Dog, Sir Tom, and I have gone there several times, and we have such fun. I enjoy cheering them on when they manage to get the ball to bounce off the table or end up doing a kill shot. It's a lot of fun, and nobody bothers you. There's no interaction unless you make an interaction. In fact, before we started coming here, before the shutdown of Corona, we had been going to different churches. We had been going to the senior center and several other places. And believe it or not, we have seen and met and talked with people from both of those places at Q's. So you never know who you're going to bump into. Could be your next door neighbor. If you liked this secret stuff, click on the card above for more.